Hello, my dear student. A very good morning to all of you. In previous video, we have discussed the Einstein coefficient and Einstein relation. In that video, we have discussed the condition for large stimulated emission. We know the three processes: absorption, spontaneous emission, and stimulated emission. The absorption and spontaneous emission all that always together then with the stimulated emission. Okay, absorption and spontaneous emission are together, then the stimulated emission, we have discussed that three processes in previous then the third video. But in that point, that absorption and spontaneous emission all together, this always together with the stimulated emission, then we can write the ratio of that stimulated emission to the spontaneous emission, that is a ratio of that to rate equation. Then we write the ratio of the stimulated transition to spontaneous transition as, and it will be denoted by rate equation R1, and ratio are stimulated transitions divided by spontaneous. Then we know the rate equation stimulated transition, that B21 rho nu N2 divided by spontaneous transition A21 N2 R1. Therefore R1 is equal to that N2 will be cancelled, then that Einstein coefficient separate bracket A21 divided by B21 divided by A21 into rho nu, equation number. Then but we know the value of rho nu in previous point, Einstein coefficient and Einstein relation. We use the rho nu in previous point. We have discussed that equation rho nu 8 pi h nu cube into mu cube divided by c cube 1 divided by e raised to h mu divided by kt minus 1. We get equation number 1, equation 1 becomes, therefore R1 is equal to B21 divided by A21, that next bracket 8 pi h nu cube into mu cube divided by c cube 1 divided by e raised to h nu divided by kt minus 1. These are the equation number 2. But in previous video the value of A21 divided by B12 is equal to 8 pi h nu cube into mu cube divided by c cube. Okay, these are the Einstein relation. A21 divided by B12 is equal to, and another Einstein relation B21 is equal to B12. These are the Einstein relation. We use that Einstein relation. Then this is the A21 divided by B12. Taking a reciprocal, that denominator will transform numerator. B12 divided by A21 is equal to, in that side c cube will be numerator, and that 8 pi h nu cube into mu cube. Okay, then is equal to, with this Einstein relation, B21 is equal to B12. In that B12 is also written as the B12 is equal to B21 divided by A21, equation number 3. B12 is equal to A21 is equal to B21 divided by A21 is equal to that term C cube. Then using equation 3, equation 2 becomes using equation 3, equation 2 becomes, and equation 2 are the that R1 is equal to, equation 2 are the B21 divided by A21, then B21 divided by A21 is the that term, and that is that term C cube divided by 8 pi h nu cube into mu cube, and equation 2 next term, this term as it is, this term, that bracket as it is, then in bracket 8 pi h nu cube into mu cube divided by C cube, 1 divided by e raised to h nu divided by kt minus 1. Sorry, n1 is equal to C cube get cancelled, that term 8 pi h nu cube into mu cube will be cancelled, then remaining R1 is equal to 1 divided by e raised to h nu divided by kt minus 1. These are the equation number 4. We will start the ratio of stimulated emission to the spontaneous emission. Then we write the ratio of stimulated transition to the absorption transition. We write the ratio of stimulated transition to absorption transition is given by, and therefore that R2 is equal to, we denote the ratio R2, that stimulated transition divided by absorption transition. Then the rate equation of stimulated transition is B21 rho nu into absorption transition is B12 rho nu N1. But as B21 is equal to B12, that is a Einstein relation, B12 is equal to B21, then in that equation, that term is the N1, B12 rho nu N1, and as B21 is equal to B12, that means B21 and divided by B21, that will be the cancel, rho nu get cancelled, then remaining the R2 is equal to N2 upon N1. R2 is equal to N2 upon N1, equation number 5. R2 is equal to N2 upon N1, equation number 5. But at thermodynamic equilibrium, equilibrium, that N2 upon N1 is less than 1. N2 upon N1 is less than 1. Then this absorption transition overcome by force of stimulated transition. Overcome by force of stimulated transition, that absorption transition. Okay. In the next video, we have discussed some problems on that two topics, Einstein coefficient and condition for the large stimulated emission.